The function f of x is given as f of x is equal to 1 minus ax to the minus 1/2, where a is a non-zero constant. In the binomial expansion of f of x, the coefficient of x is twice that of x squared. Find the value of a. Using this value of a, state the set of values for which the binomial expansion is valid, and then write down the quadratic function which approximates f of x when x is small. So, we should know that 1 plus x to the n is 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 over 2 factorial x squared plus for x being between minus 1 and 1. Okay, so if we take 1 minus ax to the minus 1/2, that will become 1 plus n, which is minus 1/2, times x, which is equivalent to minus ax in this case, plus minus 1/2, and then 1 from minus 1 from minus 1/2 would give me minus 3 over 2 factorial times minus ax all squared. So be careful use of brackets, and then it carries on. Okay, so writing that out again. We don't need to go any further because we're only interested in x and x squared. Okay, so the coefficient is that minus 1/2 minus a must be equal to 2 times this coefficient. But don't forget this minus a here is part of the coefficient, so it becomes minus a squared over 2 factorial. Well, this is good. That becomes 1/2 a. The 2's will cancel out here, and then you can... this will be all positive, because that will be positive, and negative times a negative positive. We get 3 over 4a squared. Right, so solving that will give you, multiplying by 4, we get 2a is equal to 3a squared, and therefore 3a squared minus 2a squared, minus 2a is equal to 0. Factorise out, so we get a, 3a minus 2 is equal to 0, which gives a is 0, which is not possible because we want a non-zero constant. Or a is 2/3 by putting this bracket equal to 0. Okay, so the binomial expansion of 1 minus 2/3 a minus 1/2 will be valid for minus 2/3 x being between minus 1 and 1. If you take the 3 out, then divide by 2, that will make it positive, but it will reverse the inequality sign, and a similar thing here, and you'll end up that x has to be less than 3 over 2 or greater than minus 3 over 2. Right, so we now have to find the quadratic expansion. Basically, it's asking us to put the value of a into our expansion. So this is our expansion from the first part of the question. So replacing that with a is equal to 2/3, so we get 1 minus 1/2 times minus 2/3 x plus minus 1/2 times minus 3 over 2 factorial times minus 2 over 3 squared. That will give me 1 plus 2/6, which is 1/3. And this bit here, if we work all this out, will come to 1/6 x squared. So this will be the quadratic function that represents that for small x. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to use the binomial theorem. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.